weer, jongens. Bootje voor naar huis.
So guys, when you hold it, see, they actually hold on to you more than anything. So you just want you guys to like cradle them. Interlace your fingers, elbows open, palms right under like this.
Welk rondje moet
So
dan
it like
klikken?
sit right here. But guys, no cutting, no pressing, no squeezing, and no
En dan ga je even over op foto's.
absolutely, okay? Over here.
Nee, ik heb gedaan geloof ik.
Oh mijn god, hij is echt zo cute gewoon. Het is echt een droom, jongen.
Ja.
Guys, they only go to the bathroom once a week and they sleep 16 to 22 hours a day. Once a week. Twice.
Mooi hè?
Doe maar foto's maken.
This is the male, guys. Sip is sloth from Ice Age, and this is a female, Snow White. So right now it's mating season, so this is even more orange than it normally is. And he wants to go towards the female. It's mating season, guys. So the males are a little more active. That's all. You ready?
He wants my girl.
You ready?
Ja?
Over here. Very still, okay? Whoever's taking the photo, guys, you move around your loved one that is holding the straw to get both faces in the picture. See, look. Get this right. 270 degrees.
Oh, kijk dan.
Hij is echt klein hoor.
Ja.
Ze zijn wel heel ruw hè.
Je mag niet aaien. Schattig hè?
Je voelt hem niet eens.
Nee. En dat mannetje dat wil heel de tijd naar het vrouwtje toe die wij vast hebben.
Oh my cool glasses!
I can see. What about your earrings? Oh, is she coming in? Oh, your earrings.
Oh, wat heb jij?
Grab them, there you go. She does want to go in. Okay, take off the glasses. Come on.
Hold your glasses.
Do their thing, don't worry about it.
Hallo?
Goed
Hallo?
vasthouden. Goed vasthouden.
Ja, ik hou hem vast. Ja.
Yeah, that's Mike. Watch out with the Mike situation.
Kijk, hij zit er bezet.
Ja.
I was telling her, oh, okay.
That's good. Perfect.
Are you videoing it? I think
That's Mad Max on the ground.
Hij zit in mijn kousen zit hij te inspecteren.
Let me, I'll hold him.
look at my pocket. Oh my god, look at my earrings out my pocket. He almost got my earrings out my pocket. You think he's got my earrings out
Arjan,
my pocket?
Arjan, Arjan.
I'm trying to grab my phone. That's a lot of money. I am so sorry. It's a big He stole my earring out my pocket. It's on the ground. I'm so sorry.
Oh, you mean those ones?
That's mine.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
It's only
Yeah,
one?
I'm just gonna.
Come, give me a.
Oh, they tried to take my phone.
I have it in.
Smarter than you
Where's
think.
the other one?
Oh my God, it's smarter than you think.
Yeah.
You are so smart, you little snake. I hit it.
That's a stinky.
Hij wil dat kostje eraf halen.
Oh.
En hij bijt in mijn neus.
Let me see. It's too cute.
Hij beet gewoon in mijn neus.
I got my pocket.
Nee.
I step on you, my sweet. I step on you. My sweet.
Oh wow.
Oh my God, it's too.
Ik heb een hele selfie.
Oh, oké.
That is so.
Yeah.
Don't think you put something ahead of food.
Oh, watch it.
They're mediocre hairstylists at best, you guys. They live 40 years in captivity, and you can train them to be as smart as a 3 or 4-year-old. That's right. So it's like having a 4-year-old with ADHD for 4 years.
Hallo mooie.
Michael.
So cute.
Let me see.
Yeah.
He knows where you put it.
Oh, wow.
That is so cute.
Guys, Mad Max is the only one with the privilege of being raised in the house with a whole hospital. Right away, we have to put him inside on cat formula. So he was raised on cat formula and CSI Miami.
I can know apart.
Can you get one on her head?
I didn't know who's who. They all look alike, huh?
Yeah.
Excuse me. Excuse me, that's mine.
No.
Oh.
That's Jay Wow.
I
She was trying to
apart,
steal
huh?
my snack.
I didn't know apart.
Wow, come on. Come on.
How do you know who's who?
I know, right?
I know, how do you tell them apart? One's bigger than the other, like this
Nou, ze komen ook wel als je
It's so funny how you know who's who.
het net doet alsof dat je iets op je hoofd legt.
That's mommy water.
You like the man. He likes the man. Thank you. He likes the man. You see, he
Yeah.
likes the guys. Certain ones like
He's a
the
guy
guys.
monkey.
If you had your earrings on, trust me, they would like you.
Oh.
They would.
Where's your cat?
Dit is degene die mijn kostje wil pulken.
Ja.
Better.
Hij wil dolgraag mijn kostje pulken.
Ja. Ik heb geen foto's kunnen maken.
And he's like sunflowers, he's like you.
Maar die kan je wel maken van de video.
She's such a good sport. Oh, look how cute. He's a cute.
Where's Maxwell?
Wauw. Hoppa.
Vind je dat leuk?
They're so fast. Mental. Wow.
Maar heel snel.
Out of your shirt, they like to relax in the hand.
Stay by me a little while. Hi, how are you?
Hi.
You're gonna go in the hammock.
Hi. Oh?
Oh, you're going down? You're falling down.
No, they're hanging on it. Hij bleef mooi hangen.
What's the
Oh.
name of these called?
Huh?
These are called spider monkeys? No, what's
Capuchins.
capuchins.
So this is the one from Friends. What you
Yes,
said.
exactly.
Okay, Marcel.
Marcel.
Marcel. Okay, I'm thinking I don't know their names.
Ze zijn echt snel.
Hold me, somebody hold me. Come on.
Oh wow.
Come on.
That's so cute.
Hallo. Hallo. Wat heeft hij?
Nootjes, vinden even pitjes.
Oh, sorry.
Yo, wow.
So what's the purpose of the hold? Did you see?
Au! No, no.
Oh, sorry.
He bit my toe.
It's the nail polish.
Yeah.
So the purpose of the holes, guys, is to have pythons come up and bite it.
Hallo.
I'm kidding.
Hij beet gewoon in meteen.
Ja. Ja, hij beet ook in mijn neus en in mijn arm.
Crawfish at home.
The sissy patch.
Can you see the crab in there?
They're going like, I found something
Come
back
back,
there.
guys. All right, guys, we're gonna get out of here. Everyone all good?
Yeah?
The red one with the primary color number, that's the national bird. These three right here, guys, these are hybrids. They're a combination of the red one with the green one up here. This is the youngest one. His name is Johnny Depp. Did you get a photo with him? I did. Good. You see your arm? And then we got that's Fruit Loop right here. He wants my bundle. You see your other arm? Turn. He wants to fly up at any moment, okay? Now the hybrids won't be able to reproduce, they're sterile. Yeah, these ones like this.
Yeah, but
In the wild, they stick with their own species and not the same species. But here in captivity, there's no rules. They survive. Well, for one generation.
kijk eens naar mij.